you guys are looking for the perfect side dish to any barbecue or potluck, look no further than this steak fajita pasta salad. It only takes a few ingredients to make, and it has this incredible zesty dressing, which brings all the flavors together, making this the ultimate pasta salad. Now let's get started. These are all the veggies which you will need for this fajita pasta salad. You're going to cut the onions and peppers into chunks and place them into a bowl to prep them before grilling. The salad will look really festive with different color peppers, but feel free to just use one kind. Once they're all cleaned and cut, you're going to drizzle these with some olive oil and season the mixture with some Fajita Seasoning. Mix it all together well, and these veggies are going to be placed on a super hot skillet or the barbecue. If you guys are new to my channel, I post unique recipes weekly. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. Now these will take a minute or two on each side, and next we will start to prepare our meat. This is about 1 pound of skirt steak. Give it a good drizzle with some more of that olive oil and season both sides well with that fajita seasoning. Use any steak you like or have on hand, like a ribeye, some tri-tip, or even a flank steak. Once it's nicely prepared, remove all those veggies from the grill and you're gonna add that steak right onto the hot skillet. And while that steak is grilling, you'll want to have some water boiling to cook up about 1 pound of pasta. I love this bow tie pasta for this fajita salad, but you guys, this is wonderful with spaghetti or even orzo. Checking back on that steak, I like the meat cooked well done, which will take about 7 to 8 minutes per side. Of course, you could cook it to your liking. And next, you're gonna cut up all of those veggies into smaller bite-sized pieces. And this salad is super customizable. Add whatever other toppings you like olives or pepperoncinis. Today I'm going to be adding some peeled and diced cucumbers and tomatoes, as well as some pickled jalapenos. This is such a fresh and delicious pasta salad. I just can't wait for you guys to try it out. Now push everything off to the side, and lastly I'm going to show you how to make that zesty dressing that'll bring all these flavors together. This is a clove of minced garlic going into my bowl with a freshly squeezed lemon, about 4 tablespoons. You'll then need a half a cup of olive oil and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Season this with about a half a teaspoon of salt, and to balance out all of that acidity, I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of honey. Lastly, add the fresh cilantro, and you guys, you gotta try this incredible pasta salad. It's gonna blow your taste buds away. It's so flavorful and super fresh and just so addictive. I mean, look at how creamy that vinaigrette is. Yum. Okay, you guys, this steak is finally ready. You really should let it rest a few minutes, but you know me, super impatient, so I'm gonna be slicing it up into thin slices. Be sure to cut the opposite way the lines are going so that you get nice and tender pieces. Add all of this into the bowl with the cut up veggies and all of that cooked and drained pasta along with that vibrant dressing. Give everything a good toss, and that is it, you guys. The star at your next barbecue or potluck is ready. This is just one of those recipes that once you try, you will never forget. The grilled veggies are so tender and flavorful. Everybody always fights over those little pieces of steak, and the salad is just bursting with freshness from the tomatoes and cucumbers. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them with a unique twist.